Hi guys, my name is Shabaz Salim and you're watching my YouTube channel SAK Creations. So guys, we are back with latest bridal blouse designs. And look at this. This is actual blouse designs. My customer will send this photo and say, "Bhaiya, I want that type of blouse design." So I'll do. Don't worry, madam. I'll make same as it is. You will send this. Just send the blouse designs picture. I'll make same as it is. And look at this. We are also we are already starting some work, and right now we are stitching gold kasab. And that blouse designs lots of use for gold kasab. Gold kasab also have a one single form for silk thread. It's just a little bit thick thread, and silk have some softness, and that and this one thread was a very thick type of thread. And also if you want to stitching that type of thread, you need to first of all buy a double tar needle. Okay, and look at these blouse designs and look at these pictures. We also printed that blouse design, and then we are start to stitching. Look at this. And a downside have some border 1.5 inches, and upper side have a waves type work, waves type. Okay, and these blouse designs have a too much work, French knots work, French knot dot work. French knot have a two form. One is a flower form and one is a dot form. And that blouse designs we are using dot French knots. Okay, and these blouse designs have a maximum 3 color, because these are multicolor blouse designs my customer choice. And my customer also choice great. All my customer choice was great, and we are also making great blouse design. And look at this. And this is the actual speed. Very my all workers and my all karigar have a maximum 10 to 12 years experience of that blouse designs and that work. Look at this. This is the actual blouse designs paper. We already make these blouse designs, then we are stitching. And if you want any type of blouse design, you just give me the exact picture. What is the work on this on the picture? I'll just show, I'll just see, and I'll make same as it is, guys. Okay, so now we are start to stitching our downside of the sleeves. 3 number dull gold moti with the 7 number needle. 7 number needle have a very best role and very important role play in the all entire blouse designs. And if you beginner, you just start to learn this work, you don't need to use this needle. Okay, this is a very serious suggestion for you guys, because this needle was a very smooth needle, and this is not a strong needle, so I think you will break this needle. You just buy a iron needle. It's a iron needle 7 number, same hook, and stitching easily. Iron needle was too much strong, and if you are a beginner, you handle it. Okay, now we are start to stitching top of the sleeves some flowers, and flowers have a little bit jhumka look, but it's looking very grand. And we are also stitching lots of work like little boxes on the waves type. Look at this waves type. Okay, now you can see this. And this is a dry chalk printing. This is not a liquid printing, so that's why it's a little bit little bit dry. So that type of work you taking too much time for dry. Okay, look at this. And now we are start to stitching other sleeves, right sleeves, oh sorry, left sleeves. And look at the downside of the border, just 1.5 inches boxes, and some booties, and some sugar beads boxes, and also 3 number moti and zardozi form. Okay, now we are using do tar needle. Do tar needle is a very important role to stitching any thread work like zardozi, no zardozi, like silk thread, kasab, or zigzag, or other related to thread. Okay, so now we are start to stitching on the back neck, and we are stitching some drop on the back neck border, because back have just a little bit 1.5 inches border on the entire back, and back shape is a U shape, and you have option to take your choice. Okay, back have a maximum 4 to 5 option, and one is a U shape and a round, and one pot neck, diamond shape, as you want. Okay, you just tell me which your choice. I'll make same as it is, guys. Okay, because my customer was my priority, and same as it is we are stitching the all around the boxes, and we are stitching same on this full back neck. then we are stitching some booties also on the back neck, free space. Okay, and bridal blouse designs have a two form. One full sleeves, just a full sleeves, and back just 1.5 inches broad border. And one is a grand blouse designs. Grand blouse designs have a one identity. It was a back full and also sleeves full. Okay, so now we are on the back sleeves, we are on the sleeves right now, and start to stitching some 3 number moti line. Look at this, and this line was a some waves type shape, and look at this. This is a very beautiful work, and this blouse designs also take too much time. One day also done. Okay, we are start to second day work. Look at this, very beautiful work with very difficulties. Okay, look at this. One time we will fill the all needle, then we are start to stitching, and look at this downside waves is a completed, and this one needle 7 number, and we are also stitching 2 lines 3 number moti. Now we are stitching some zardozi with the tiki with the hand needle. Hand needle is a very unique work, and it's very important to stitching, like if your big needle was not done work. So I think this needle was doing very fast, because I am doing this work maximum 5 to 6 years. When I was 14 to 15 years old, then I am stitching like this, and maximum 5 to 6 years I am doing that type of work, hand zardozi. Okay, he just pay me 75 rupees in a week, and we are working maximum 10 to 12 hours a day. Look at this, one zardozi, one tiki, and upper side also one zardozi line. Same boxes we are filling with that type of work. Then we are start to stitching French knot dots, and now we are start to stitching some leaf on the front neck. Front neck have some border as it is, same as it is on border on the back, and front also have a same border, and sleeves downside just the same border, and upper side work is a very different work, and it's a very heavy bridal blouse design. And this blouse designs have a maximum 80% thread work. And also remember one more thing, guys, if your blouse designs was a thread work, I think it's very expensive. And if your blouse designs was a zardozi work, I think it's also very expensive. And if your blouse designs have a lots of work, material work like kundans or jerkins or other sticking item, so this is not expensive items. Okay, and also price depend on the quality of blouse designs and also quality of material. So don't be offended, guys, if your blouse designs was too much expensive. You don't think my blouse designs was very expensive. Just to focus on your material and also work quality. This is a two thing. If your material was a good quality, so I think your blouse will going long. It's very long if you're using original quality work. Okay, so now we are start to stitching some French knot dots on the boxes, and we also divide the boxes with other color. Look at this, we are leave 2 lines with other color French knot boxes. We also use red color, and I think one is a gold color, because gold is a common color, and we also use 90% of blouse designs we also use gold color, because gold is a common color, and it's a need for every blouse combination. Gold is a gold. Okay, same as it is, we are stitching the all entire the flower with the French knot dots, and these French knots have a 16 thread. Just you fold the 8 thread and do together, it's a 16 thread, and it's looking very thick, and it's very difficult to stitching. If you are new and you do you just do 1 and 2 time, so I think this is a very easy and you do very fast. Okay, and if you face any difficulty to learn this work, please join my classes. We will take classes morning to 10 to 11 every day, Sunday leave. Okay, so now this is a final look of blouse designs. Look at this, guys. I know some we are missing some parts, but same as it is French knots, we also stitching with other color. Okay, look at this final blouse design look. Look at this real grand blouse designs and real zardozi work, Aari work. It's a totally handmade and it's a very long life work. It's going long life. And if anyone want to buy these blouse designs, please do WhatsApp on the same number. I'll show you on the screen, your screen. Okay, look at the corner. This is a back shape, U shape. It's a very beautiful blouse design. So when blouse was completed, it's looking very grand blouse designs. Okay, and if anyone have any inquiry, please do WhatsApp same number. I'll do any help if you want to learn this work, and if you want to buy these blouse designs, you just have any inquiry, you just do WhatsApp. Okay, look at this work quality. And we have also one good news for a beginner who want to learn this work. You just buy Aari kit if and watch my all tutorial. If you need any help, you just WhatsApp do, and we are do your help, every type of help, okay, related to Aariwork. So please tell me guys how's the design, and please, if you watch right now and if you are new, so please do subscribe, and also don't forget to press the bell icon for the future videos. So thank you so much for your love and support guys. See you with latest bridal blouse designs with 2 days later. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for your support. Bye guys, take care of your family, and also don't forget to watch my tutorials. Bye, see you.